Wow.
Bro, shut up with these stupid sound effects, bro! You're not cute! What is this? You're a grown man doing these kawaii cute sound effects, trying to look cute for the ladies. Who do you think you are? Like, that video really got 200,000 likes from him saying, like, just eat the damn food and don't talk, bro. Like, no one cares. You're not even saying anything. What is the point of that? Okay, you're eating food, but what is the purpose of those sounds, bro? You sound like you're disabled.
Bro's from Japan, bro. Eat the freaking food, bro. I think bro is trying to get cute for all the ladies, bro. Dude, bro is literally right, bro. I think bro's from